Let's start. The project name is button click event. Let's see the project structure. In the app level Gradle file, include this plugin. Here, we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI first. Here, we have a button, with click the button text on it. Let's see the code. So we have a constraint layout as the root layout. Then, we have a button with click the button text on it, as said earlier. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity, which extends app.compat activity. In the onCreate function, we call the onClick listener of the button. On the click event, we have shown a toast. Let's run the app now. As you can see, when I click the button, a toast appears. So that's it. That's how you can implement the onClick event of a button in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.